Namaste children. Hope you finish your kite drawing with freehand work. Today we are going to do memory drawing, imaginary drawing. Imagine that you and your friends or family members, you are flying the kite on the terrace, otherwise on the ground level, whichever way you like. First I give you a few tips, so please listen that tips what you're supposed to do it. Hold your paper in horizontal position. Leave some space or draw small triangle, very small triangle, and please draw a full paper covering a shape of kite. Now inside this part you are going to do the memory drawing. So when you do the memory drawing, keep in your mind first is a perspective view. So you will draw human figures perfectly, small, big, how many, close to each other. You know very well 5 to 6 human figures. So I have decided I am going to do this many figures surrounding this. I will draw a terrace. So this is my terrace view. So they all are standing on the terrace, right? Now if I want to add touching to the terrace, people are standing, so I will cover the space. So I have covered the human figure the age wise, big, small, medium, everything. So according to that I have decided. Then I will show the background layers, is it near the seaside or something. Always keep in your mind the kite fly always in the one direction opposite to wind. The kite flies. So please observe and let's fly with the kites perfectly. So you can't draw everywhere the kites. Kites, each and every building, each and every side, everyone fly in the one direction only. So please do it that perfectly. This is my rough layout, what I have explained to you, what I wanted. First step, you will draw the kite. Inside the kite you will draw the kite flying day. The dark to light background you will do, and you will color very nicely. Please do it the big and small human figures style. I show you a few references. Here you can see on the ground level people are flying the kite. Inside the kite view you can able to draw how the child is so happy because he got somebody's kite. Boy and girl, they are flying the kite. When you fly the kites, how you hold your hand? What you do? Some people wear the cap, they wear the goggles. So try to add other things. Or somebody is helping you to tie the kites. You have many kites surrounding you. The one girl is waiting, who will fly kite for me. Here also you can see the many people are surrounding on this big terrace. On the terrace again the same way one child is tying the kites. This small girl doesn't know how to fly the kite. She is standing with the balloon. One girl came with the new kite. Here everybody is flying the kites. You can see everybody is flying the kites. She is just trying how to fly the kites. Another building you can see they have kept the speakers and they are playing and they are dancing with the music. Few children are just showing it. See over here from the window also people are flying the kites. Your pet dog also waiting how you are flying the kites, and see how the air is blowing and everything. So dress and everything also fly with your kites. This is another picture also. This is also vertical position. This is only the view how they are flying the kites. Sky, dress, human figure, colors and everything. Understand perfectly and please compose the imaginary drawing. You don't need to copy my work. You can create your own work. So these all three references I just show you. You have to do it in your diamond shape of kite and complete the work very nicely. Hope you understood the topic. Have a nice day. Have a great day.